Hello and welcome to Total Memory. Today we're gonna teach you 4 new excited Farsi letters from their alphabet. Are you ready? Yeah, I am ready. I hope you are too. Do you remember my name? My name is Carlos. On my birthday, 4 friends gave me 4 nice letters to show how much they care for me. I'm sure you have some friends that care for you. And what is that? A cake. Oh my god, a cake. Who doesn't like a cake? Like I was saying, 4 friends make me a letter. My friend He, strong, he's busy. He forgot also to buy me a present because he's busy. But he made me a letter, and that's enough, showing how much he cared. So every time I see his letter, I remember, hey, he wrote me a letter starting with this huge C. Then my friend Jim gave me a basketball ball and a nice letter. So every time I see his letter, I remember Jim and his new letter that he taught me. It looks like a seed with a little dot in the middle. Alright, my third friend, you're gonna like this friend because he a Che. He's a cook, and he made me not 1, oh my god, not 2, what is that, but 3 nice yummy pizzas. Oh my god, I'm so hungry just to see that. 3 pizzas. So every time I see his nice letter, I remember Che with this nice character with the 3 little dots inside of the 3 nice pizzas. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving for the last one they're gonna teach you today. My friend, where is he? Where is he, my friend? My friend. All right here. Where are you? We were talking about you. I couldn't see you. Wait, where are you going? My nice friend. He gave me a balloon. What a nice present. Who doesn't like balloon? And he made me a letter starting with this character with a little top balloon on top. So every time I see his letter with the balloon on top, I remember hey. So alright, let's see if you remember. Who do we met today? We met Jim. So every time I see Jim, I remember his basketball ball and my new character, my new letter, named Jim. The next one is Che. He's a cook, and he made me 3 yummy pizzas. My other friend is busy. He made me a letter, and that letter, it looks like a C, but it's actually Farsi, and you pronounce he. And my last friend made me a new letter with a nice balloon on top. So every time I see his letter, I remember he. So we have Jim, Che, he, and he. Remember that. Jim, Che, he, and he. Alright amigos, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and practice my words. See you later. Bye.